Hey everyone, it's Mo. Today, we're diving into 15 things you should never do in an automatic car. From common mistakes to surprising myths, we'll cover it all. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that can prolong the life of your transmission fluid and save you thousands in repairs. We've all been there, that blinking fuel light urging you to find a gas station. But consistently driving on fumes isn't just stressful, it's murder on your car. Your fuel pump relies on a constant bath of gasoline to stay cool. When you run on empty, it overheats, leading to premature wear and potentially a hefty repair bill. Keep your tank at least a quarter full, and your car will thank you. Shifting to neutral and coasting downhill seems like a clever fuel-saving trick, right? Wrong. Modern cars have fuel cutoff, which stops fuel delivery when you're coasting in gear. Coasting in neutral reduces your control over the car. Imagine needing to accelerate quickly in an emergency. You'll be caught off guard, fumbling for drive. And don't even get me started on the wear and tear it puts on your transmission when you slam it back into gear. Your average automatic car isn't built for off-roading. Transmission vents can become entry points for water if you're splashing through deep puddles or flooded roads. Water in your transmission fluid turns it into a milky mess, wreaking havoc on your transmission's delicate components. Leaving the car in drive at stoplights seems harmless, right? But if you're doing this, you're unknowingly stressing out your transmission. When your car is in drive but stationary, the transmission fluid is constantly churning, generating heat. Over time, this extra heat can lead to premature wear and tear. Shift into neutral at long stoplights to reduce heat and extend the life of your transmission. Just like you wouldn't run a marathon on a frigid day without warming up, your car's transmission needs a little TLC in cold weather. Forcing your car into action without a proper warm-up puts unnecessary stress on the transmission, leading to premature wear and tear. Resting your hand on the gear selector might feel comfortable, but it's secretly wreaking havoc on your transmission. Constant pressure puts stress on the delicate internal components, leading to premature wear and tear. Those dashboard warning lights, they're your car's way of screaming for help. Ignoring them is like ignoring a siren blaring in your ear. One of the most crucial lights to pay attention to is the transmission temperature warning. If it pops up, don't brush it off. It means your transmission is overheating, which can lead to catastrophic damage if ignored. Don't ignore the oil pressure or battery warning lights either. These are serious issues that can snowball into major repairs. Always make sure your car is in park before turning off the engine. Turning off the car in drive or neutral can cause the parking Pawl to take a direct hit of stress. Hard acceleration is a surefire way to put excessive strain on your car's vital components. Your transmission, engine mounts, and suspension all take a beating when you slam on the gas pedal. Shifting into park while the car is still rolling puts immense stress on the parking Pawl. This small metal piece is responsible for locking your transmission in place when you park. Always come to a complete stop before shifting into park. Transmission fluid is the lifeblood of your automatic gearbox, keeping everything running smoothly. Over time, it breaks down and becomes contaminated with debris. Driving with old, worn-out transmission fluid can lead to serious damage. The handbrake plays a crucial role in protecting your transmission, especially when parking on an incline. Relying solely on the park setting puts all the strain on your transmission, making your car more prone to rolling. Letting your car sit in drive for extended periods can spell trouble for your transmission. Idling for too long, especially in hot weather, can cause the transmission fluid to overheat, reducing its lifespan. Shifting from drive to reverse while the car is still moving is like playing Russian roulette with your transmission. It's a recipe for disaster. The gears inside are designed to mesh smoothly at low speeds, not slam against each other while the car is in motion. When your wheels are spinning frantically in the snow, flooring the gas pedal puts immense strain on your transmission. That spinning motion generates a tremendous amount of heat and friction, which can quickly damage internal components. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll save thousands in repairs and keep your automatic car running smoothly for years. Have you ever seen someone make one of these mistakes? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Motor Mindset and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video, 17 Common Oil Change Mistakes. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.